The step-by-step process, what the law provides, and how the procedure works in practice. The acquisition of Greek citizenship is not a single uniform process that applies equally to all applicants. On the contrary, it is a complex legal and administrative procedure that varies significantly depending on the legal basis of eligibility, descent, marriage, naturalization, or other special categories. The first and most critical step before submitting any application is confirming the correct legal pathway. Each pathway carries different legal requirements, supporting documentation and processing timelines. Main pathways to Greek citizenship. 1. Greek citizenship by descent. This is the most common category and applies to individuals who were born to a Greek father or a Greek mother, have a Greek grandparent, or, in more complex cases, a Greek ancestor from an earlier generation, provided that the chain of citizenship is first restored. This procedure does not constitute naturalization, but rather the recognition of pre-existing Greek citizenship. Processing times may range from a few months to several years, depending on document availability and the need for corrective or supplementary actions. 2. Naturalization of foreign nationals. Naturalization applies to individuals with no Greek ancestry and generally requires 7 years of lawful residence in Greece, sufficient knowledge of the Greek language, knowledge of basic elements of Greek history, culture, and constitutional order, a clean criminal record, and demonstrable integration into Greek society. The process includes examinations and substantive evaluation. Processing times typically range from 12 to 24 months. 3. Acquisition of Greek citizenship through marriage to a Greek citizen. Marriage to a Greek citizen does not automatically grant Greek citizenship. The law requires a minimum duration of marriage, usually combined with residence in Greece, adequate knowledge of the Greek language, and genuine social integration. For applicants residing abroad, the procedure is conducted through the competent Greek consular authorities and is subject to careful scrutiny regarding the authenticity and stability of the marital relationship. 4. Citizenship through investment, the Greek Golden Visa. The Greek Golden Visa does not directly lead to citizenship. It provides a residence permit through investment, which currently ranges from $250,000 to $800,000, allows an application for naturalization only after long-term lawful residence, typically 7 years, subject to full language and integration requirements. Where and how the application is submitted. The structure of the application process is similar across all pathways, but the competent authority depends on the applicant's place of residence. Applicants residing in Greece submit their application to the competent Regional Citizenship Directorate. Applicants residing abroad submit their application through the competent Greek consulate. In all cases, the application must be submitted in person. Step 1. Preparation and collection of documents. A citizenship file typically includes a valid passport, a birth certificate, a marriage certificate, if applicable, a criminal record certificate, proof of residence, income or tax-related documentation, certification of Greek language proficiency where required, pathway-specific documentation, descent, marriage, naturalization. In practice, this is the most demanding stage. Many applications are delayed because documents are missing or inconsistent. Such issues do not automatically prevent the process, but they require proper legal handling. Step 2. Legalization and certification of documents. Documents issued outside Greece generally require an apostille where applicable, an official translation into Greek, and, in certain cases, additional administrative registrations. Step 3. Submission of the application. Submission includes scheduling an appointment with the consulate or competent authority, filing a complete application file, payment of the applicable government fees, collection of biometric data where required. Step 4. Review and evaluation. The application is reviewed by the competent authorities over a period typically ranging from 6 to 24 months. During this time, additional documentation may be requested. The applicant may be invited to an interview, and compliance with all legal requirements is assessed as a whole. Step 5. Oath ceremony and completion. Following a positive decision, the applicant takes the oath of allegiance to the Hellenic Republic, a Greek citizenship certificate is issued, and the applicant may then apply for a Greek passport. Fees, timelines, and practical challenges. The process involves government fees, translation and certification costs, and, particularly in complex cases, legal representation fees. Overall timelines typically range from 1 to 3 years or more, depending on the chosen pathway and the complexity of the case. The importance of proper legal guidance. The acquisition of Greek citizenship is not a routine administrative task. It is a strictly legal procedure governed by statutory requirements, administrative practice, and procedural nuances that often determine the outcome. E. Chatsi Dimitriou, LLC, is a law firm exclusively dedicated to Greek citizenship matters for Greeks and descendants of Greeks living abroad. We provide selection of the appropriate legal pathway, structured legal preparation of the application file, handling of missing documents and corrective actions, and full legal support through to final recognition. Proper preparation does not merely speed up the process, it determines its success.